Okay, guys, Anthony Williams here from Detroit, Michigan. I want to talk about my Motor City Streams build, which is running on the Kodi 16.1, and I also sell the MXQ boxes with the Motor City Streams build. Plus, I got some other apps on the box. Those boxes are going for $75. And then I also sell my build for a one-time 50 that you can put on your Android phones and your Android tablets. And this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and I'm going to show you this build that's on my phone. So we're going to get into my Kodi here on the build, flip it over. And of course, for those that like to watch movies and TV shows on their phone, I want to recommend that you are using Wi-Fi. If you don't have a real good data plan, maybe you got 3 or 4 gigs, that's not going to be enough. You're going to burn that up. You probably want to get on. I'm on Straight Talk. I get 10 gigs for $60 a month. But it's good to have it on your phone in case you are waiting on somebody at the hospital or the doctor's office. You're on your lunch break. However it goes, you can actually come in here and do the same thing on your phone that you can do on my MXQ boxes for $75, because I do have my own updater inside of the Kodi build, which is called Motor City Streams, which I will show you that right now, because this is not actually a up-to-date version. I actually have a newer build. So we're going to click on Systems, and I'm on a Wi-Fi, so I don't burn up a lot of data on my phone. And we're going to click on My Add-ons, and then let's click out of that. Israel Live Update. Click on Programs, and there you see the Motor City. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to open that up, and it's going to start updating when I come over here and click on the Droid TV Wizard, which is actually my build. So it's going to download. And what this will do, this is the portion I'm talking about, it being on my server, is because I run the updates. I'm in full and complete control of the update, and I keep the build updated, every couple weeks. I don't update it every single day because it's not really necessary to do it. So I'm going to show you how this actually works. So if I send you a message and say, hey, update, this is how you're going to do it. Okay. Yes, both for this and on the MXQ box, if you decide to get the box instead of getting the build on your phone. Now the box is $75. I ship out through USPS. I work through a company called Square, which is similar to PayPal. PayPal got kind of stupid. They don't like, the avenue of the open source media, so they have a problem with people selling it. So I picked up a online merchant account with Square, and now with Square I'm able to send out people invoices, and you don't have to have a Square account to use Square. You just simply use your debit or credit card to pay for either the bill, which is a one-time $50, or to get the box for $75. All of your personal information, that's nothing that I see on my end when you pay for it. The company sees that, not me. So I just want to alleviate people's concerns about that. So we're at 75%, 80% downloading the new updated version, because I just uploaded it to the server not too long ago. And we're going to take a look at some of the new changes. So we're at 88%, 90. And looks good on the phone, I would have to say. If you got a tablet, you can put it on your tablet. Okay, get your movies and TV shows, sports, some pay-per-view as well. And so now what it's going to do is extract. Okay, trying to get the focus correct. So we have 55%. Now my build is not free because I put a lot of work in it, and a lot of folks out here on YouTube, they prop up a lot of other people's builds, and every single, most of them, everybody want to, exploit that IPTV stalker clones mess. And I think the IPTV stalker is garbage. All people always trying to hack it and create clones, which most of the time never work. And so, when I create my build, it's just simply you want to click close. You don't want to click return. Okay. And so now that that's done, okay, and let it exit out. Okay, and then hit it, touch it good enough. Okay, so hit the return button. Hit the return button again. And from this point, if you're on your phone, what you're going to have to do is actually close it. Okay, so I'm going to close all my tabs. Okay, force close. And I'm going to go into settings. And then go up to my app manager. And then I'm going to go up here and find Kodi. And then I'm going to hit force stop. And click OK. Then go back home. Go back into my app drawer. And reopen it. Okay, so this is the update. But now what you can do is surf your shows. Okay. You got clean Kodi again. I didn't change too much, but what I did change was the weather, because if you paid attention to the beginning of this video, the forecast wasn't up there. So what it's going to do is fetch the forecast for me right now. Okay, and then I'm going to come back to that, go to systems. You see the systems changed. Okay, I didn't have add-ons and programs and file manager under there. It was just add-ons and file manager. So when I ran the update, that portion changed. Okay. Power. Make sure you go underneath there and hit quit. You go under your favorites tab. You got YouTube, Phoenix TV, Israel TV, C Cloud TV, UK Turks. You got your news here, CBS News.
Violence over this. A lot of Bernie supporters felt this way. And then he goes on to say, I think you should run as an independent. Right. Well, interestingly, there's talk on the Republican side, of course, of a third-party bid in an effort to give Republicans something, give them cover for those who don't want to support Trump. He certainly...
It has no value.
For a week, basically to brush up my friends.
Were you nervous before the shoot?
Sure, yeah, I had headache for half a year. Yeah, it disappeared.
Okay, you got sports. Okay.
Party that totally reeks of awesomeness.
Right.
It's gonna be.
Is Paige gonna be there?
No, probably not. No. Okay, I'm not gonna.
Okay, so if you miss a UFC pay-per-view, you can actually come back in under the tab and let that open up, and then you can see all the pay-per-views that were just recently out. 198, 197. So let's click on 198. I thought 197 was garbage. It's a garbage fight. Pay-per-view was good, but when you got to that main event, it just wasn't that great of a fight. And so you can actually come in and check out one of the pay-per-views if you miss it, okay, as far as the UFC is concerned. So we're going to try to get the 198. This is the full replay. And again, the bill is $50 one time. I'm seeing you invoice through Square. And then I'll send you a how-to video and a link on how to install it.
He's gone from a world-class submission artist to an incredible striker. If you choose to stand with this guy, he will tear you up. There he is winning the flying knee against the
so fast forward it.
The record, bud. Now introducing his opponent. Fighting out of the red corner, a Muay Thai kickboxer, holding a professional record.
Stop that stream. So, why do I charge $50, guys? Again, it's attention to detail. I put a lot of detail into the build as far as what you can look at live, and especially movies and TV shows. You can watch this on your phone or your tablet. If you have an Android TV box, you can also install it on there. And again, I'm giving you full instructions on how to do that. You just saw me run the update. That's the most important part. It's because I keep my update crisp. Most people don't when they put bills out, and a lot of times those bills are garbage because I've used them. Half the stuff on there doesn't work. Okay, music tab. Okay, genres. Music is working fine. You got your movies up here. Okay, you come over here and you can actually move this bottom scroll bar at the bottom. Okay, click on leading women, and what this is going to do is show you all the women in here, all their movies. Okay, let me hold this up a little better. Same thing with the leading men. Click on leading men. I clicked on leading women, so there's all your leading men, all the guys here that have movies. It's going to show all of their movies. Okay, TV shows. You click on networks, search, so you can actually click on here and type a show in. Okay, so there's a new show that I like called Ghost Brothers, and then I'm gonna hit space. I gotta remember to keep holding that phone up. Okay, backspace, Ghost Brothers. Nah, keep hitting the D. I ought to be using my stylus right now. So it's going to give me anything related to Ghost Brothers. So that's their show right there. Comes on Destination Channel. Okay, and then let's click on the Fitzpatrick show. It's just to show you how it works. You can type in any show that you're looking for, and I'll show you. And now what it's going to do is fetch all the content. It's going to give me all these different links to actually look at the show. So I'm going to try the first one. The first one doesn't work, or it opens up and has a buffer to it. You can go down and click on the next one. Okay, so that one's going to open up, and on the phone it looks great.
If that's not the creepiest door you've ever heard in your life. On this episode of Ghost Brothers, the guys stick to the south.
All right, here we are, brother.
And check into the haunted Fitzpatrick Hotel.
Okay, so now you can go out of that, back out again, and anything underneath TV shows you want to look at, you got all of these are subtitles. Okay, let me hold the phone up so you guys can see it. Subtitles. Okay, latest, Bravo, ABC, NBC, CBS, popular shows, Oxygen, US TV, VOD. Okay, let's see if it fetched our weather. Now, if it doesn't, we can go in and reset this. But if you click on live,
know that they're not going to dump you for that reason.
And if by chance you're ever injured in an accident, the Hartford has a benefit called...
That's a live weather channel. Streaming, it's talking all U.S. weather. Okay. Let's go back under favorites. You got YouTube underneath here. Phoenix TV, Izzy TV, and C Cloud TV, two of the best to watch live TV. Okay. And again, you got your news tab.
Start with some confidence.
Okay. And Africa News, Twit TV, MSNBC, ABC, DW English, C-SPANs. Okay. So you got everything under the sun here with my build. Again, you got your movies tabs, music videos. Okay, if you come over here back to systems, you can click on add-ons underneath there, open it up, and then you can see all the add-ons that I got installed. Okay, so pretty much Specto is a real good app. It's similar to Exodus. Okay, so that's something else you might want to be aware of. Bravo. You got also Sports Devil, the Sports Devil launcher. Vito, you want to come in and watch live streaming movies, you can click on Vito. And no, we don't want to click on schedule. Let's go back. Click on categories.
Can I sit at the door with my Bible in my hand?
And then click on entertainment. And then click on HD movies. And then that's going to open up.
You think she's worth it?
No, she's worth it.
We're small.
Well, grow up,
But I got my
motherfucker.
Bible.
So there you go.
I'm waiting on something.
Give us a break here, all right? about
And
12.
click stop. And then you can also go back and then click on the next stream.
Amen.
Hey, you good? Good.
Who said the Galaxy Note 3 don't have a good speaker on it? But anyway, guys, 313-265-6206. Anthony Williams here in Detroit, Michigan. Motor City Streams, 16.1 Kodi, $50 for the build. You get an updater, which means I'm connected to the build. Works on your phones, your tablets, and your Android TV boxes. It's all about the software. Guys, you don't have to be tricked into buying some network marketing company's box, direct sales company box for $400, because you can simply just get the software built and put it on your own TV box. If you don't want to get mine for $75, because I do sell the MXQ TV box for $75, which, by the way, that's it right there. Let me hold this down. Let me focus in. Now, if you get my box, guys, for $75, you also get a nice app on here called Mobdro, which is another good, and it's the updated build. I also have an app on here called New HD Streams. You got your YouTube, and you got another live TV player called US TV Streams. And again, I'll open this up and show it to you. You just saw the build, that's 16.1. I got it on the got it on the phone. You can put it on your phone or your tablet or your PC, okay, your Android PC. So, matter of fact, just to prove it to you, let's go over TV shows. And so, whether you want to go mobile, or you can put it on your box, or you can get a box from me for $75, okay, and then there you have it. So you can take it with you on the road. You got to wait on somebody at the hospital, doctor's office. However, you're bored at somebody's house, pop it on your phone or your tablet, so you can take it with you, and you can get it on the box as well. And so, again, let me prove it to you. Let's go over to movies. It keeps going back over to music. So there you have it. So this is my own build, something that I'm in complete control of. So I can get it on your box. If you already have a box, it's $50 for the build. I'll show you how to install it. Or if you want a box, I got the MXQ for $75. Also comes with 2 remote controls, secondary and the factory remote. Or I can show you how to put it on your phone for $50 and stream unlimited movies and TV shows. Just make sure you got a good data plan, okay? Because if not, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be in trouble. So put it on your phone, put it on your TV boxes, guys. You need to give me a call. Click that link underneath this video. Check out my website. There is a contact form underneath that where you send me your email. If you're buying a box, I need your complete mailing address. Send you an invoice for $75 for the box, or a $50 invoice for the software. You can put it on your tablet or your phone or your own Android TV box if you have one. And you get full tech support from me. That's something that you don't get from them eBay and Amazon guys. So, with that being said, find a link underneath this video, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Start saving money watching TV for less money. God bless.